Tired of finding this in the fridge?
Here's how to make food last longer. See how spongy this little guy is?
Tip 1, line your drawers.
This is gonna allow air to circulate around those fruits and veggies. Things should last about 2 to 3 times longer.
It not only looks great, it's easy to wash.
This isn't the best way to store your eggs.
What is?
Actually in the container you bought them in, designed to specifically cradle the eggs to soak up any odors instead of it hitting your egg. Middle shelf toward the back, that's where your fridge is the coldest. You know once you open this little guy, how your bacon gets all yummy?
Save the baggie and get one of these.
This is the way to store the leftovers. This little tray right here will keep your bacon from setting in its own juices.
It's not only great for leftover bacon, it also works great for meat and cheese. Now run and grab all those open chips.
I've got a chip graveyard going on in my pantry. The best way to save these guys, toss the clip and get one of these. Just pull it across the back. Like it's brand new. It's so fun.
It's affordable and amazing. Follow for more.